Hi everybody, it's 12:05 and 8 seconds. This is mini number 1 for Walking Dead number 1 9.0. Alright, so as stated in the post, whoever comes in first place gets to pick 3 spots in the main. After the first place person picks their 3 spots, whoever comes in second place will get to choose 2 spots in the main. Okay? Pardon me, there are 15 filled spots. Alright, let's do our 3 dice. The number is 11. And let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is the final one, 11. Dave Ryan gets to pick 3 spots. John Maldonado, after Dave Ryan picks, you get to pick 2 spots. The time is 12:06 and 6 seconds.